Tank Alert EZ alarm is all about making installations easier. Each detail of the patented design has been thought out to make it simpler to use and to offer advantages over other alarms. It features an innovative, sleek two-color molded enclosure which integrates the red LED translucent beacon. The upper half illuminates and horn sounds when an alarm condition occurs. Once the condition is cleared, the alarm automatically resets. The Tank Alert EZ is suitable for lift pump chambers, sump pump basins, holding tanks, sewage agricultural, and other waste applications. It's available in both 120 volt AC and 240 volt AC models. Dual models feature a red LED for alarm 1 and amber LED for alarm 2. The enclosure meets Type 3R watertight standards, meaning it's suitable for both indoor and outdoor applications. The removable cover pulls away to provide ample room for field wiring, while still protecting the internal circuitry. The interlocking enclosure features a unique sound chamber to amplify the horn while helping prevent moisture from entering. External mounting tabs allow for easy installation. This alarm also features an automatic alarm reset. Other standard features include an alarm test silent switch, a green power on indicator, and auxiliary contacts for remote devices such as a home security system, a phone dialer, or a remote alarm. The Tank Alert EZ is also CSA certified and backed by our industry-leading 5-year limited warranty. For more information about this product, please visit www.sjerhombus.com. Thanks for watching.